Positioned to enter the market as a true premium flagship action camera, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is heavily rumored to arrive with a noticeably higher price point ranging between $549 and $599, signaling a deliberate move by Insta360 toward the professional and enthusiast creator segment rather than mass-market affordability. And this elevated pricing strategy is widely believed to be justified by the brand's deepening collaboration with Leica, a partnership that has increasingly become a defining pillar of Insta360's high-end imaging philosophy, as the Insta360 Leica Alliance, first initiated in 2020 and officially renewed again in March 2025, strongly points toward the Ace Pro 3 inheriting next-generation Leica-tuned optics, enhanced lens coatings, refined contrast curves, cinematic color science, and more natural skin tones aimed squarely at vloggers, filmmakers, travel creators, extreme sports athletes, and professional content producers who demand consistent image quality across challenging lighting environments. Although Insta360 has not yet made an official announcement regarding the Ace Pro 3, mounting leaks, supply chain chatter, firmware references, and industry speculation strongly indicate that this camera will serve as the direct successor to the Ace Pro 2, which debuted in October 2024 and quickly earned recognition for pushing boundaries with its 8K video recording, Leica co-engineered lens system, robust stabilization, and strong low-light performance. And now expectations for the Ace Pro 3 are even higher, with rumored specifications suggesting a newly developed 1-inch class 50-megapixel Leica-optimized CMOS sensor designed to significantly improve dynamic range, noise control, highlight retention, and overall sharpness, paired with advanced processing capable of delivering 8K video at 30 frames per second with HDR or logarithmic recording profiles for maximum post-production flexibility, alongside buttery smooth 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second in full 10-bit color depth for slow-motion sports footage, cinematic action sequences, and professional-grade color grading workflows, as well as ultra-high frame rate 1080p modes tailored for dramatic slow-motion captures, while additional rumored upgrades include a next-generation flow state stabilization system enhanced with AI-assisted horizon leveling, improved subject tracking, and more natural motion correction, smarter AI-powered in-camera and mobile app editing tools for faster social media workflows, noticeably stronger low-light and night performance optimized for urban shooting, adventure travel, and indoor environments, a larger battery with extended endurance supported by fast-charging technology for reduced downtime, upgraded waterproofing for deeper underwater use without an external housing, improved onboard microphones with better wind reduction and spatial audio capture, and a tougher, more modular chassis design aimed at long-term durability and accessory expansion, all of which, if these leaks prove accurate, would position the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 as a category-defining action camera capable of setting a new benchmark for what a premium action cam should deliver in 2026, especially at a time when the Ace Pro 2 itself remains highly competitive in the market, continuing to be praised for its performance and value, particularly after recent price drops bringing it down to roughly $354, making it an appealing option for users who want Leica-influenced image quality without paying flagship-level pricing. And this ongoing relevance of the Ace Pro 2 appears to be a major factor influencing Insta360's release strategy, as early expectations pointed toward a late 2025 launch for the Ace Pro 3 following the company's traditional product cycle. But more recent indicators now suggest a delay, with the launch window likely shifting into mid to late 2026, potentially landing between Q2 and Q3, a move that aligns with Insta360's apparent decision to extend the Ace Pro 2's lifecycle through special releases such as the Super Motocross Edition and new creator-focused bundles introduced in late 2025, signaling a broader strategy centered on ecosystem growth, accessory expansion, and market segmentation rather than rushing out new hardware. While competitive pressures also play a role, particularly with DJI's Osmo Action 6 entering the scene in November 2025 featuring a large 1x1.1-inch square sensor and a variable f2.0 to f4.0 aperture that promised versatility but ultimately limited video output to 4K despite having 8K capable hardware, leaving a notable gap in the market where no major brand currently offers a true next-generation 8K traditional action camera, a gap that gives Insta360 the strategic freedom to wait, refine, and potentially deliver a more polished, more powerful. It arrives not merely as an incremental update, but as a definitive statement in the evolving action camera landscape.